Hey guys, it's Shy, and I love how I still look a mess today, but tomorrow I'm going to Spider-Man. I'm seeing Spider-Man, and I'm super duper excited. I'm going with my brother. Allegedly going, because he was all nonchalant, and was like, we'll go there when we go there, and I'm like, are you planning on just walking in and getting tickets? Because that's not how society works nowadays. You were born 2006, you should know this. You weren't that old, you're only 19, man. You don't even remember the days where you got tickets at the movie theater, but whatever. But I don't know what I'm gonna wear, I don't know how I'm gonna do my makeup, we'll figure it out tomorrow. My teeth hurt, so they don't hurt, but they do that, they're like, I feel them in my mouth.
Alright. For long distance love.
Bitch, I fell asleep. I got home from the movie, probably like 7. I had McDonald's for dinner, and I went to fucking sleep at 9 p.m. And before I went to bed, I was like, I didn't record leaving the movie or my thoughts on the movie at all. Let me sit up. I didn't get my thoughts on the movie or give you guys an update. And then I fell asleep before I fixed that. I liked the movie. I had very high expectations for the movie because I heard like a lot of people saying, oh, it's bringing back like Marvel, like the good days. And so I was like, okay, let's check it out. Let me see. And it was really fucking good. I really liked it. I'm not gonna spoil anything, but I really, really liked it. Which I was surprised by. I mean, the Spider-Man movies never really fell off. They were always decent, but, you know, it kind of felt more like they were trying to, like, blend together Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, and Tom Holland's Spider-Man in a way they haven't previously. Like, they all felt distinct, but the way it, like, was shot, it felt more reminiscent of the other two, which, you know, I like, because then you remember, oh yeah, you know, they, like, met, he got tips from the other Spider-Mans, so it makes sense that his perspective on being Spider-Man has changed a little bit since meeting the other Spider-Man. I just thought it was cool. I liked the movie.
5 hours later.
I'm apparently hanging out with friends today. Okay, I'm hanging out with one friend. I have never met the other guys before. I think I met them once or twice. I don't know, man. They're my sister's friends, but I don't know how I feel. Mostly because yesterday, you know, I had to interact with people, and then today I have to interact with people, and then I think tomorrow I'm getting sushi again with my aunt, so that's more interacting with people, and then on Wednesday I'm going school supply shopping. That's another thing I have to interact with people for. So, my brain's all scrambled trying to come up with my fucking social battery to do this. But I think I might, like, do makeup and shit to, like, pretend I'm a normal human being. I haven't decided yet. Cause I'm watching all of Tariani's videos back. Cause I'm bored. I think I mentioned that in my last video, but I remember I have to burp, but it's, like, not coming up. It's, like, right here. Anyway, but I'm watching her do her makeup, and I remembered that I love doing my makeup. Kinda. Most people, I see a lot of people being like, oh, doing your makeup is so relaxing, it's so therapeutic. Therapeutic for who, bitch? I have 4 fucking dogs. I really have to start recording on this side, and then it won't let me. Okay, wait your turn. Because If I have it this way, it won't let me flip it the other way. No! Wait your turn. Oh, my bad. I said my bad, Queen. I didn't mean to do that. You speaking your mind? You speaking your piece? And there they go. I'm getting sushi tomorrow and I'm going exclusively shopping, so I'll try to remember to actually record because both of those things aren't as fun. But you know. What? What is that? What is? Hello, hi, pretty girl. Hi, sweetie. Hello, hi, thank you. She just get away from me. Get away from me. She just scratched me on my ass. Oh my god. She put a fucking. Oh god. She put a fucking, like, vine with her. What is that? What is. Oh fucking lord. Yeah, you saw it? That
Brother,
is what was in his mouth. Good lord. Man. I'm just trying to sit here. Why do you guys keep bringing in random shit? Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Truly, truly. Miss Clover, Miss Clover. What is your problem? Over a paw in my face. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Clover. Clover. Fluffy bat. I thought I could always count on this bitch to give me the ball. I threw it. The fuck is that? I'm going to the store, but I've already been irritated today, so we're gonna see how it goes. I also didn't sleep. I think I slept for like 3 hours.
Yep. Okay. Ooh, you even got a cherry on top.
Yes. I found these like portable lockers. I'm looking for. Okay. Man. I'm already on my way. Thank you so much. Bro, they left me alone. And I think they're gonna regret that. because I found this the last time I was here.
You need to
Crazy.
leave.
Grab a different one. The fucking kit. Oh my god. I need to leave. It has a microphone, LED lights, tripod. Yeah. I'm gonna go find my grandma because they left. This is $20. Yeah. I dropped that one, so I'm gonna grab. Come with me. I was gonna stop recording and let you guys do your thing. I'm like, ooh, they have a whatever they're called. Did I say they were $20? I don't. Ooh. I gotta stop getting distracted. This is why I shouldn't be allowed to shop alone. I don't know where my grandmas are. They have disappeared. Don't know where they went. I should find them. Auto care. Did I not know that was a thing? That's so interesting. But yeah, I saw this last time and I was like, that sounds kind of cool. I should probably get that, you know, up my game a little bit. Figure out what I'm doing. And then I look-y forgot. And I didn't ask because I was getting like $40 worth of, like $60 worth of board games for my friends. And you know, when you're getting $60 worth of board games, you kind of are like, maybe I shouldn't ask you for more. Because that's mean. There's a doggy. I don't know if it's like pet doggy or service doggy. So I'm not going to go near it, but it's very cute. They just said over here. They actually didn't clarify where they were going. Oh no. Wait, I don't know where they... Wait. I don't know where they went. Usually if there was a vision in here. I'm checking. Oh, yes, I was right. This is what I was looking at. Ah,
Vlogging kit. How much is it?
$20. I think when I looked.
Orange makeup.
Then don't wear makeup. I don't. I don't think makeup's a requirement in society.
This is nice.
Yeah. Oh my god, they have a little baby Melissa water. That's so cute. That's cute. Where is the other grandma?
Probably still looking for you.
The way she went looking for me?
She did, and then I caught up with her. She came this way.
I got candles. Candles, pillowcases, curly hair stuff. And then we're free. Mostly.
Until we go down to the tree.
Oh, oh no. Why would you say that? I didn't need to know that. I feel like I'm zooming like Abby Lee Miller. I'm trying to find an empty aisle that I can show you guys what I mean when I say I feel like Abby Lee Miller right now. Oh.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
I'm so fast. I don't know, man. Oh, shit. Sorry, when I'm just going straight and not doing turns and stuff, I turn up the speed. But then I'm doing twists now. Ooh, Franken Kitty. I did not know. I actually never read that as a kid, so I don't know why I'm like, oh, Franken Kitty. As if I recognized it. I did not. Brawling bears? Oh my god. Look at this. Guess who I need? I'm gonna send a picture of this to my grandma, because I need it. I will be right back. I'm grabbing this one. Has these, has the hidden, I want the caramel fox or the toffee cat. Those are the cute ones. And then I was told to go find her because she has to pay for it. But I'm gonna go look around first. You know, check these things out. At least now I have something to put my little elbow on. Jesus. Children don't know how to put things back. And I mean, that's their right. They're children, but also, I feel like their parents should at least put it back properly. Almost hit that. That could have hurt. Imagine if I was, you know, an older person. You know, and I couldn't see it. I didn't have the vision. I didn't have eyesight. You know, that's why you could just see me and see like everything moving in the background. I'm like zooming down these halls. I'm saving up money for one of these. Ooh, case file. Temptation and trickery. Same victim, different crime. The haunting at Wicker Ridge. The Salem Slicer. It's a morbid thing. I love the podcast Morbid. I love it. Okay, but I should start heading back. I can feel the wind in my hair. Like, what's this? Beautify your slime. I didn't know children were still playing with slime. I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought that craze was over. I feel like I get whiplash every time I stop on a dime instead of slow it down. Not that it really matters because it doesn't slow down either way. It just stops. And then I get hit. Alright. Ooh, they have a pop thingy. The I don't know, man. Alright. Now I gotta go find my mom. And not my mom, my grandma. And I don't know where she is. Because they implied that they were already done shopping. So I'm just speeding up. Oh, I was also gonna go look at candles, but I don't think I have the time anymore. So I'm gonna just take a quick little glance. No, they don't seem to be. I'm gonna slow down them over here. I have it all on the thing now. I just have to figure out how to do the microphone. And then I'm gonna check out the LED thing, but I think right now I'm just doing this. Let's see if I can like actually hold on. I think it's cool. So I'll figure out the microphone and then I will check back with you guys. Let you guys know what's going on. This is so strange. I'm just getting used to this. I'm gonna show you what I look like in the mirror when I get out of the car. Oh, right. It's so... Sorry, this is so strange to me. But... I don't know if you guys know what was... There's a bee. It felt bad killing it because, you know, it wasn't trying to attack me. It was just... Yeah. That was horrifying. I just want you to know. Sorry. I like looked down into my shirt and there was just a bee right there. And it freaked the fuck out. But it's okay. I let it out onto a flower outside. I think it's gonna probably die. But you know, I did my best. But let me show you what I look like right now. Happy, happy, happy! I'm like an actual YouTuber now. I just filmed me opening the toy on the collectible little mystery box on my TikTok. That'll be up. Well, by the time this is posted, it'll be up for like at least a day. I'm not gonna show you which one I got, so you have to go look at my TikTok to find out. Alright, I already filmed it, but in the clip after this, I'm gonna be trying out my mic. It's not on right now, but I got a mic that I'm gonna use when I'm out in public, because, you know, I think I sound better, like, when it's just me, you know, without the mic, but when we're in public, I think it'd be better if I use it then. So I'm just gonna test it out, you know, but yeah. So that's why I sound strange.
Alright, I got home yesterday from Olive Garden and I didn't record and I've been sleeping all day. I had beef stroganoff for dinner, but you know, I did another video that'll be out I think before this one. It is a get to know me, because I feel like you guys don't. Sorry, it's outside. But yeah, that's all for this week. Don't forget to comment what you want to see next. Subscribe. I feel like 50% of you that watch aren't subscribed. So, what are you doing? Like my video, like the video, whatever. Do that whole YouTuber nonsense. But I will see you guys next time. I should dip before things get weird. See ya.